This tutorial is to update the links on your footer. So on the Showit dashboard, we're just going to scroll down to the footer and we're going to edit footer. So these links are a little bit different just because they're not single links, they're just all in one area. I do this just because it's easier to align everything on your footer. So to edit the links, all you have to do is click on the text box here and then highlight and then press this and then there. So there's just something here. This needs to be set to none because then this entire thing will have, each line will have a separate link, but if you put something here, it's going to link all of the text to one area. So just make sure to check before you update that the click action is set to none. I don't know if you noticed, but earlier it had like a little pop-up saying that these links won't work because of these click actions. So I'm going to go ahead and edit these, and you see there's no pop-up here. So I'm just going to go to page, and we're going to put investments, portfolio. So these ones are already in, so I'm just checking just to make sure everything is linked to where it needs to be linked. Contact, I just want to make sure this one was right. Okay, and then when you're done, you just click that and then publish. And that is how you update your footer links.